Hello everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell as I will be posting new videos weekly. In today's video, we are going to continue with our segment where you ask questions and I answer. I collated the questions na related to each other para isang sagutan lang, and hopefully everyone who is watching this video can learn a thing or two. Also, may maganda po akong balita for everyone. No bank account, no problem. So watch this video and find out kung anong good news yun. So let's now head on sa inyong mga katanungan. Okay, so our first question is from Miss Michelle Vicen or Vicen. Ang tanong po niya, pwede po ba yung savings account ilagay for bank details? And ang sagot, yes, pwede po yung savings account. Remember dun sa ating tutorial in creating an online shop with Lazada, may drop-down selection dun sa bank. So, for your reference, check nyo na lang po kung yung bank account nyo po ay pasok po doon sa bank details or bank information na kailangan ni Lazada. Thank you and wishing you good luck in your selling journey. And then we also have a question from Kent Pelimer. Ang sabi niya, ilang days po ba ma-transfer yung pera sa bank account? So I asked him if corporate ba siya o micro seller. So kayo mamas, let's not be confused kung sinasabi ko po na microseller ha, kasi microseller is yung individual account po na sinign up nyo. For sure, every one of you who are watching this video are under the individual. So, yun, pasok po tayo dun sa microseller. Okay? So, iba-iba pong days since one of my shop is under corporate po, yun po yung mga pinakaunang shop natin sa Lazada. So weekly po yung payout. Yan po yung pinaganda ni Lazada in the last 2 years ata if I'm not mistaken, kasi dati po ang payout po ni Lazada ay nag-start sa once a month lang and then hanggang naging twice a month. Tapos ngayon, weekly na po siya yung payout. So regardless kung corporate ka or microseller ka, weekly mo matatanggap yung payout mo o yung kita mo with Lazada. So if under corporate ka, every Thursday of the week po siya. Kung microseller ka naman or individual, every Friday po siya. Okay, so every Thursday kung corporate again, and then kung microseller or individual, every Friday nyo po matatanggap. Okay, so hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe for more video updates. Yan po yung sagot natin for Kent Pelimer. Okay, and then let's move on to our next question. We have a question from Abe Disamparo or Abe Disamparo. Ang sabi niya, yo mama, pwede po bang gamitin ang bank account kahit may laman pa? Okay? Oo naman, Sir Abe Disamparo. It should be an active bank account para madali po yung payout. And may tanong din po dito si Jeronejes Castil or Jeronejes Castil. Sabi niya, paano po mag-claim ng remittance ni Lazada and how long? May need pa ba i-present na business documents? If freelance online seller lang po. Okay, so for sure nasagot na po natin to, na-discuss na natin to in our previous tutorials or previous videos, but para lang sa kasagutan sa tanong ni Sir Heron or Jeronejes, weekly payout po through bank transfer. Bank details po is of course upon sign up and pwede din pong check. For check, you need to pick it up sa Lazada office. But again, these are subject to changes. Hindi na po ako updated regarding dyan sa check na yan. But for details, you may contact Lazada. Hope this helps. Thank you. And then, our next question, this would be, I think our video for today is a bit shorter dahil nga po pinag-isa ko lang or kinulate ko lang yung questions na regarding about banks. Okay, so we have a question from Sofia Castro. Hello po, question lang po. Gusto ko kasi mag-sell sa Lazada. Okay lang po ba if magkaiba yung valid ID sa bank account name po? Then okay lang po ba kahit debit card lang? Okay, hello Miss Sofia. Ang sagot ko dyan, debit card is okay. Kasi dati they allow Payoneer card. If you guys are familiar with Payoneer card, especially dun sa mga nag-freelance online. Ayan. So debit card yon, so that's allowed as far as I know. With regards to not matching yung ID na sinubmit mo doon sa bank account, I'm not really sure about that. I apologize, but I suggest you contact Lazada to get the correct information. Okay, thank you. So that would be our last question for today because I am so excited to bring you the good news. If you have read the description ng ating video na no bank account, no problem. So, eto po yung good news natin. Okay? So, Lazada did a partnership with one of the bank here in the Philippines. So, ang ginawa po nila is they partnered with Unionbank. Okay? So, sa lahat po ng nagbukas ng online shop with Lazada, hindi na po kayo mamomroblema sa inyong mga bank account details or bank account information. Okay? So, nagkaroon po ng Lazada debit card. Okay? So, I'll show you itong clip or picture ng Lazada debit card powered by Unionbank. So, Lazada did a partnership with Unionbank. As a new seller, you can have your Lazada debit card. So, all of the payouts will go straight to this debit card. So, all you need to do is apply. Okay? So, let's just read through kung ano yung mga benefits or yung mga perks ng Lazada debit card. So, ang sabi dito, no initial deposit, no minimum balance required, and interest earning. And also, yung mga pros niya is electronic fund transfer ready, real-time receiving of seller payout, SMS alerts for payouts, convenient online banking system including yung fund transfer to other banks through InstaPay or PesoNet, and of course for security, eto na po yung standard na mga ATM. It has a EMV chip, okay, for better security. That's it. So, I'm so happy kasi hindi po naman talaga lahat sa atin, lalo na pag nagsisimula ka lang magbenta online, merong mga bank account. So, I think pasalamatan po natin si Lazada for taking this initiative. And, pinadali na yung life natin as a seller with regards to the payout. Okay, so paano, ang question dyan is paano natin makukuha yung Lazada debit card. Okay, so I will insert a video here, yung how to, and I will also be providing the link. Okay, so papakita natin, pupuntahan natin yung website mismo kung saan tayo pwede mag-apply nung Lazada debit card. Okay, so let's pay attention to the next screen. Okay. Ayan. So, medyo hinihingal ako kasi I'm happy po talaga ako to bring this news to you. Hopefully na happy din kayo kasi pinagaan po talaga yung buhay natin, especially those sa mga online sellers na wala pang mga bank account. Okay. So, let's head on to the screen. Okay. So, here is the application form. Looks like I will be providing the link under the description below, so pakibisita lang po. You may click on the link and it will bring you to this page, yung Unionbank account application and membership data update. Ayan, so silipin lang natin. Let's scroll down. Ayan Yan siya. So those are the information that you need to fill up. And to your far left is yung Online Microsellers Marketing Cooperative. So sa mga bagong nag-sign up, don't get confused kung individual naman po yung sinelect nyo. You are under that category, which is Online Microsellers Co-op or Cooperative. Okay, so it says here, by the way, just for the sake of information, I'm not gonna walk you through on how to apply or on how to submit this application dahil hindi naman po siya applicable sa akin. Meron na po tayong bank account with Lazada, but for the sake po dun sa mga bagong sellers na wala pa, then you may go ahead apply for a Lazada debit card. Okay, it says here, this offer is exclusive to Filipino citizens and members of Online Microsellers Marketing Cooperative, okay, who operate an active seller account in Lazada. So please enter complete information below. Sorry about that, na-scroll down natin. Ayan, so your data will be used to activate your Unionbank account and to update your membership information with the Online Microsellers Marketing Cooperative. Okay. So, ayan, fill upan nyo lang po yung may mga rectangular box na yan. Kung hindi po kayo familiar, ito yung unang box is yung seller ID. Ang seller ID can be found po sa inyong seller center page. You go to your profile, okay? And then, makikita nyo doon yung seller ID, okay? And then, you may fill up everything, the shop name, ito yung pinaka-importante talaga, yung seller ID, kasi unique po yung code na yan, yung ID na yan. You have there the shop name, the date of Lazada seller sign up, and so on. Alright? Yan siya. So, pinopoint sa aking cursor yung mga kailangan information. Ayan. And then your street address, province, and so on. Make sure that you have a TIN. Kung wala kayong TIN, you may apply for individual TIN. SSS, government ID, like the driver's license. Meron drop down dyan kung ano yung mga allowed. And then, i-click nyo lang yung dalawang boxes na to and submit. Okay? With regards to the information kung paano nyo makukuha yung card, somebody from Unionbank or the microseller will keep in touch with you kung paano. Okay, so that's it. I hope na nasiyahan kayo. And thank you so much for watching. And ano pa ba? By the way, I hope na naging happy kayo sa ating good news today. Do not hesitate to contact your Lazada partner support for more assistance. And also, before I end this video or before I bid goodbye, please watch out sa Wednesday, August 28. I will be posting a new video regarding Lazada's packaging guidelines. So, yung mga allowed na gagamitin sa pagpack ng mga items or ng ating products. And on Saturday, August 31, I will also be posting a video where I did a demo kung paano i-pack yung mga Lazada orders in alignment sa packaging guideline ni Lazada. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You have a good day, and I wish everyone good luck in your selling journey. Bye!